here's the mount. I added a connector to it so it can just connect to the wiring that I've already done on the bike. Okay, so to get the power to the Carpe Iter tablet, I have these two wires. I have connected it to the battery, not completely yet, but this is about to. Then I have pulled this underneath here, and here's a thick bus with a lot of cables. So I'm routing this alongside here. I have loosened the tank to get into and follow that thick line here. It comes out from here. I have added this connector. It goes to, yeah, this comes with the Carpe holder, power supply circuit, something there, and it goes to the Carpe. So the thing is that this plus the tablet is not quite, but almost 1 kilo. So, and it's a bit bigger, so it needs to go out in front of the screen a little bit and stay clear of the windshield here also. It needs to be at this distance approximately, and 1 kilo that far out from this little bar will not be stable enough. It takes up some real estate, but if you look at rally bikes, you have the full rally tower, so that's what I'm comparing it with. This is a small rally tower. So we're making a new bar for the holder and in steel, right?
Yeah, stainless steel.
So stainless steel, so that we can weld. Progress. There is no official mount for the Carpe Iter on the T7 yet, so we're producing this one, which will also be the same design as anti-wobble kit. So it's anti-wobble kit with an extra bar to mount it on. There are some mounts being produced as we speak, and Rebel X is designing one, and yeah, so this will be one-off custom version, I think, unless Seymors wants to produce some more. So let's try this one and see how it works. doke. Tablet on. Sorry, the folder. Really nice. This is sturdy, as very sturdy. It's on and charging. Engine off, charging off. Freaking awesome. Super happy with that. It's big, but again, it's a rally tower. When the Drivemode Dashboard 2 is ready enough, because it's under a lot of development right now, I will make a full tutorial on how to use that one. So stay tuned for that. Just needs a little bit more features in place before I do that. It's Torque Racing's application, so it's not mine in any way. Okay, let's go home and try this on the way home. Since okay, so yeah, it's a big screen, and yeah, you're sitting down. It's taking up a lot of space that I had before, but it's not really covering anything. But what this is intended for is this: standing up, going rally mode, reading roadbook, slightly tilted up. And for that, it makes a fantastic job. I can easily read the map, scroll it, etc. And yeah, so I see a lot of what's in front of me. So that's great. It's cruising. Horor och dunksprit.